Ladies and gentlemen, before history was written, Egypt awakened.
The sun's journey through eternity.
Horus, protector of the Pharaohs. Mortal rulers, guided by the gods. Osiris, Lord of the afterlife. Anubis, guardian of the dead. This is the Ankh, the symbol of eternal life. From death comes rebirth. Above all, rose Ra, the sun god. Every soul was weighed. The eye of Horus, watching over all. From the Nile, life rose. People shaped the land, and the land shaped them. Kings rose, chosen to rule. Thus began the Age of Pharaohs. Stone by stone, monuments began to rise. The first pyramids touched the sky. Perfection carved into eternity. Thousands worked for something greater. A legacy built to last forever. Obelisks rose, reaching toward the gods. From chaos, life bloomed. Temples stood as homes of the divine. Rituals bound humans to the gods. Stories were carved to last forever. Isis, mother, healer, protector. Hathor, goddess of joy and love. Horus, embodiment of divine kingship. Set, lord of chaos and storms. Thoth, keeper of wisdom and time. Above them, the river of stars. The imperishable stars, eternal and unchanging. Order ruled even the heavens. The soul prepared for the journey beyond. In death, the journey truly began. Organs were protected for eternity. The heart carried the truth of a life. Every soul was judged. and those who failed were lost forever.
Beyond judgment, the gates opened. The journey was long and sacred. Guided by light, the soul crossed on. With dawn came rebirth and birth. Life never truly ended. With each sunrise, life returned. Ra crossed the sky once more.
Even the sun was reborn each day.
End and beginning were one.
Thus, Egypt endured beyond time. Their story was written for eternity. Scribes preserved memory itself.
Faces of kings carved into stone. Dynasties passed, but Egypt remained.
This land shaped civilization itself. From here, knowledge spread across the world. Numbers, structure, design. Healing, born from understanding. Ideas traveled far beyond the Nile. Egypt's legacy belongs to the world.
To them, the universe was alive.
The sky itself was eternal.
The pyramids aligned with the stars.
Time faded, but Egypt remained.
Across generations, Egypt is remembered. Humanity looked up and wondered.
Their story still moves us.
Honored across all time.
Their memory will never fade.
Each generation climbed higher.
Across time, we are connected. Their vision still stands. And still, Egypt rises. This is the symbol of eternal life.
A civilization built on heart and belief.
A legacy carved into the sky.
Its light reached the world.
Egypt, eternal.